Hello all, welcome to Cognitive Hub Linux command tutorials. So far we have discussed about a lot of different commands that we have in our Linux, and in order to access the file server as a beginner, those commands are much more enough because those are the major commands that we all need to know in order to access the file server and the files inside the file server. And still, if you want to access the if you want to give the permissions to a file, I'm going to explain such type of commands in the coming videos. But in this video, I'm going to explain you some of the new commands that we have, those are known as date commands, sleep, as well as clear command, and pwd command, that is present in order to know about the present working directory. So these are also commands, basic commands that you need to know in order to survive in your project and in order to access the files in the file server. So yeah, these are the commands that I'm going to discuss in this video. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, in this video we are going to look into a few of the other commands known as the date command and pwd command. That means in order to know what is the present working directory that we are currently in, and different options related to the date command, as well as I am also explaining you about what is the main usage of sleep as well as the clear commands. So now the first one that I want to explain is what exactly the date command is and what exactly it will retrieve and what are the different options that it is having. So the first thing is date command. If you click date here, so it will give complete timestamp here. So the first one is the date, that is, and it will show the timestamp, that is July 22nd, and this is this is the month and date, and this is the timestamp, and this is the what is the time format and time zone, and then what it is the year. So if you want to retrieve the complete date, then you can use this date here. If you want to know about the complete date with all the details, then you can just simply mention the date. But if you want to display the a date in some other format, like if you want to specify the date in some month slash date slash year, then in that case what you need to specify is you need to write this option. So just write a date space whatever the option that you want. Here we have a different options, so I will tell you one by one. Just make a note of it, or you can parallelly execute it with me. So if you click date space double quotes, and inside that give plus and then percentage and then give capital D. So what it will do is it will give you the date in the format that is month slash date slash year. So if you observe his, so 07 is nothing but a month, and 22 is nothing but a date, and 21 is nothing but a year. So if you want the complete date in that format with the delimiter slash, then you need to specify the date for option as percentage capital D. And we have one more option, like if you want only the day, or that means the corresponding day, that means if you want to only print the date 22, then what you need to specify is date space exactly the same syntax, but the only changes, instead of capital D you need to specify the small d. So if you do this, you will get only the date value. And similarly, if you want only the month value, what the change that you need to do is, instead of small d you need to specify the small m. If you do enter, then you will get only the month value. Similarly, if you want only year, then you need to specify the y value, small y. Then you will get what is the exact year that it is, that means 22. So basically this month, year, day will split actually from the capital D, what the value that we are having. And we also have one more thing, like a date plus percentage small a. So what it will do is it will tell us what is whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, whatever may be the day that is, it will give us the corresponding day with the percentage here. And we have one more thing. So we have seen about the small a, so we have one more option known as capital A. So if you want the complete day, if you observe small a, then you will be getting only the THU. But if you want the complete day name, then you need to give Thursday, like capital A, then you will get the complete name just like Thursday. And so these are all the individual options that we have for date. So if you want to modify the date in your own format, then you can also do that. So just like write a date space double quotes, and inside that do plus and give percentage. Now first what I want is, I want to write the year hyphen, I want to print the date with the hyphen format, and then percentage small m hyphen percentage small d. So in that case what it is meaning is year followed by month followed by date. So this is the format that it will come. Similarly you can change whatever it may be. Along with this you can also add percentage a as well with the space. If you write this, then Thursday will come first and followed by space, because we have given the space under that next to a, and then followed by year and followed by 07 and then do 2. Similarly you can also give, instead of small m, if you give the small m, you will get only the month in the numerical format. But if you give capital M, then you will get, okay, it is some other thing, but if you give capital Y, then you will get year in the format, the complete year. Instead of the small year, only the last 2 digits, you will get the complete year like 2021. So these are all about the date commands. Now what I want to show you is what is the current working directory that we are currently in. So for that, in order to know that, we have a command known as pwd. That means the full form is present working directory. If you want to know about the present working directory, just write this command and give enter. So if you give this, this is the path that we are in currently in, the /home/raj_ops. So if you give ls, we have these many directories. Now I am going to directory 1 here, ls, and I am going to nested directory ls. So now I am giving pwd here. So now the directory is /home/raj_ops/directory1/nested directory. So this is what about the pwd. That means it will tell us about the what is the exact current working directory that we are in. And we have 2 more commands that we need to know about. So the next one is, so we have one of the command known as sleep command. So that basically what it will do is, it will make your terminal inactive for specified milliseconds. So the syntax is like basically sleep space what are the milliseconds that you want to give. Here just for our understanding I am giving it as 10. So until then 10 seconds normally it won't reply anything, but once the 10 seconds gets completed, then it will come into the new line. So just observe this. Yeah, if you observe this, those after completion of 10 seconds, then we are getting the new new line. So that is what the sleep will. So it will make your terminal inactive, so you can do whatever may be the operations that you want. So you can also mention depending upon the job that you are working on. So that is all about this sleep. And we have one more command. So what I want to explain is, so we are having a lot of stuff here on your terminal. So you could able to see like first we explained the date, and then date options, and date complete, date and present working directory, and ls command. So these are all looking like some busy stuff, like these are looking like very clumsy. So what I want to do is, just I want to clear my terminal and again need to start a refresh. So for that what we have is, we have the option known as clear. So you just need to write a clear and click enter. So the directory will clear all the data that we have previously, but if you scroll down you will have the data above. But this is the first the clear message. The clear command will just remove all the previous data and make you start from the start of the page. So that is all for this video, guys. We have learned about the date with the multiple options as well as the date command, and we have also seen about the sleep command with milliseconds or time in seconds, and we have also seen about pwd command to know the present working directory, and we have seen about how to clear the screen as well. So that is all about for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.